Blessed morning, viewers and subscribers. Hope everybody is good this morning. I'm just coming out the gym. You don't know a thing, go like, comment, subscribe. We'll kick it off. Listen to the intro and listen to my message. Boom.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
All right. Remember, safety first. All right. Anyways, what we want to talk about today. Yeah, me get a good workout today. Get a good workout, feeling great. But yeah, what I want to talk about today, as you can see, I'm just coming out the gym. Don't know, go get a nice sweat, get a nice workout, feeling good. When we realize at Jamaica now, not everybody, but most people get lazy bad at Jamaica. Me nah pick no side. The man them get lazy, the woman them get lazy. Me don't want to make it a long video. I just want to make it short and spicy because I'm going to work. I'm going to shower, eat, and go to work. I got a 9 to 5 job just like anybody else. Alright? But what I want to talk about, we find out say most Jamaican women nah cook no food again. Most Jamaican women nah cook no good food again. Most Jamaican women a KFC them a go. Fast food place them a go. KFC, fast food place, Burger King. Most women now cook again. The man them now, enough man now want work.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Enough man just get up every day, weed in a hand, rum and boom. What they call it? Special. Rum in a hand, weed in a hand, enough man now work. So the woman then give up sometime. But the woman them now cook and the man then now want work. So me have to say, what really a go on? What really a go on in a beautiful island Jamaica, yo? Really? What go on? Everybody have them role, man and woman. As Donald Trump said,
there are only two genders, male and female.
You serious? Two gender him know, male and female. You have to know your role. How the hell me can have my woman? And when me come from work, and when me go into the kitchen, the pot them turn down, the plate them turn down. When me say, babes, what am I going to eat? What am I going to eat now? We got KFC.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Jesus Christ. Boy, I get bad. And when you wake up in the morning, You exercise or you take a walk or you go to work and you look on the roadside, you see man with cigarette in a mouth corner, rum in a hand. In a morning, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, man have weed or cigarette in the mouth corner. Some of them don't even brush their teeth yet. But yet still them have cigarette in it. Boy, me I tell you, you can't make this up, man. We need to do better as a country. We need to do better, yo. None of we not perfect, but we have to understand, say, we can't just get up and live so. We have to live towards something. Something. Woman now cook, man now work. And again, me not talk everybody. So because you know some people love say, who? Me a work, or who? Me a cook. Me not talk about you. Me not talk about you where you cook every day. And me not talk about you where you work every day. Me talk about the one them when I do it. That me I talk about. And them have kids to go to school. And you know what I notice? When pitney school fee for pay, parents about say they can't find it. But when dancer keep, anywhere the money they buy the hairstyle, latest shoes, latest clothes, latest bag. If at 20,000 for go in, look on Freedom Street. If at 20, 30, 50,000 for go in, them a find it. If you go watch them favorite artists. And if you go get excitement. And tomorrow, when them picnic come to them and said, Daddy, our mommy want 1,000 to go to school. Them run the picnic them, they can't find it. Yo, we have to do better, bridges. The woman them need to start cook. The man them need to start work. Remember me telling you that. Society I go back way. And me find out say we as a culture, Jamaican culture, look how we culture nice. We are lose it, bridget. We are lose it. But anyway, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe to the channel. Just press the like button. Press the subscribe button. At 2025, and if you don't like what I say, just support the movement. You get what I say? Big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect. Big voice, radio in the building. I'm out.
As the rise, give thanks to the sun. And if it's raining, I say, hold on. Oh, feelings, it's sweet aroma.